Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. There's a new Discord ORBS that doesn't require VPN this time since I can easily see the quest. You will find a new quest called King of Meat. Now all you need to do is scroll down the quest page and you should be able to find the quest. Click Start Video Quest. Now remember, if you're on phone, just stay on this page because there's a tracker. If you are on PC, you can skip the quest by dragging the frame of the video to the last part.
If you don't know how to do it, just watch me.
Also remember, I'm on MacBook. If you can't do it for some reason, it's okay. Just watch the full video. There's no issue with that. It's just a 30 seconds clip. Now remember, here's the reason why I add free Nitro in my thumbnail. You should be having enough orbs to get a 3-day Nitro from the shop. Just make sure not purchase more than one at the same time, because Discord has explicitly stated that the Nitro won't stack. If you want ORBS link, just join my Discord server. Go to Help Desk channel. This channel is under Main Chat channel. You can ask the bot where you can find the ORBS link in this server. She will guide you properly, as I've trained her. If you want an AI chatbot helper too, just watch this video. I want to address one more thing. Many people in the comments blame me for not adding their preferred languages in auto-dub. To them, I want to say that I'm not the one who add the languages here. It's YouTube. I select all the languages that are available here, so make sure to be informed before making such comments. And anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button because it's completely free.